Okay. So you can say training service. This is our table. What we need to know how we can create the choice field. So first, we'll take example of city and you can say state. So I will go to configure form layout. So first I will go and I will create the city. Okay, city. So I will put as a string only for now. So let's see how we can convert this string field into choice field as well. I just click on save. So this is one way how we can do the city field. Now you know like what is the standard way to create the field to dictionary entry. How to go to dictionary entry of this field? Right click, configure dictionary. So it will open this field record into dictionary entry table. So this is a city. Okay. So I will open in another tab the form also. This is our form where we have city. So to convert this thing to choice field, we have one thing in Servicenow where there is a choice field in the choice list specification. Just click on drop down with none or without none. I will put with none and just I will save this record. When you save this record and if you go to the form, if you reload the form, you can see now this city now converted into choice field. Now the question arises for the choices, how to add the choices. If you go to this city at the top, at the bottom, you will get one related list that is the choices. And here we can create the choices. So for now, we go and city, I will just write Pune. So value is always, you can say, should be like standard way should be, you can say without space and small letter. So sequence, in which sequence we need to give. So see, this is also another table. See, Servicenow is a tabulated structure I told you. So choices, what you are going to create, that is also in different table. This is a different table, but it is used for CT, which is a part of table training service. I click on submit. I have created the first choice. So if you go to here is the first choice. So again, we'll go here, go to configure dictionary and we'll add 3 choices. So I click on new. So label I will write Mumbai, sequence 2, right? See, if I put inactive means this record will be inactive. We are not able to use that. That is inactive. So for now, I will just save. After Mumbai, that will see later. Okay, now dependent means suppose like we are going to create another field that is a state also. So we need to like if you select the state Maharashtra, then only you can see Pune and Mumbai. If you select the state Telangana, you should see Hyderabad. So that kind of feature, if you want to do, then we can use the dependent value. So for now, we'll just put the city, Hyderabad. So sequence 3, I will put insert and stay. So after this, you can say Bangalore. I'll click on insert and stay. Now, if you see the table, what we have, so we have these Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. Now we need to create a, you can say different choice field, one more choice field, that what we can say state, and we'll put like if state I put Maharashtra, I should say it only Pune and Mumbai. So how we can do that? So for that, I will go to normal way, dictionary entry. So in dictionary entry, so how to create the field? If I directly go from here, it will directly take me into dictionary entry and I can create directly field. This is a normal way. If you go to the new, So I will select the first table name. So in this way, you will come to know, okay, how the dictionary entry table structure is. See, this is annotation. If you can go to the form layout, you can see the form layout of this field also. You can see how they have created this annotation. In the same fashion, you also can create the annotation. See, these are the annotations. But this is the system table dictionary entry. So try to not to modify that. Okay, so what we need to select the table that is training services. In training services, what type of field we need to create? So before I have put the type, you can say string. So there is a choice field also. If I click on choice, I can create a choice field like state. So column link name will be automatic u underscore state. And here just I will save this. Now once I save this, in the reference specific in choice list specification, drop down with none is automatically came. Before that, for the city, I need to put that drop down with none, right? Here also I can create the choices for the state. So for example, for Maharashtra, so just I will write Maha, sequence is 1. So I will save this. Then we can say Telangana. Just I short for tail, go to insert and stay. So I will put Karnataka. So this is 3, insert and stay. Now if you go to the form, let's see how it will work. So we have city and state. Okay, it should be about. So I will just change the form layout for our understanding. So I will use being straight, and straight. Okay, state should be above. So you can say state. If I select Maharashtra, I should see only Pune and Mumbai. So how we can do that? So it is nothing but we are adding a dependency, right? So where our that dependent value will come into the picture. First, we need to do what? You need to make city dependent on the state. How to do that? Go to the city, configure dictionary. If you directly go to the config dictionary, you will come here. So there is a advanced view option. Just click on advanced view. So you will get option to select the dependent field. So if you go to the dependent field, there is a use dependent field checkbox. Just click on that. After that, you need to select the dependent field. Okay. So city is dependent on the state. I just click on state. And after that, I just click on save. So now we have set the dependency. Definitely we need to go for every choice dependent value, right? So what we'll do for the Pune, Mumbai, I will put a dependent value. What should be for the state? Okay, for Karnataka, I need to put the dependent value as a value here. So KAR. So I will go to the city. There is a dependent value for Bangalore. I will put KAR. We know that for the Maharashtra, we have dependent value what? MAHA. So for the Hyderabad, we have So now we have set for two things. One is we have set the dependent field and then we have put the dependent value. Now if you go to new record, in the training services only we need to give. So if I select Maharashtra, I can see only Pune, Mumbai. If I select Telangana, Hyderabad only. Karnataka, I can see Bangalore, right? So this is how we can create the dependent, you can say,